What is copy trading and how does it work? Welcome to our educational session on copy trading for Forex. In today's video, we'll explore the ins and outs of copy trading, its benefits, risks, and how to navigate them effectively. Let's dive in. Firstly, let's understand what copy trading is all about. This innovative approach allows beginners to leverage the expertise of seasoned professionals without needing to actively trade themselves. But there's more to it than meets the eye. Through our copy trading system, seasoned traders can become signal providers, showcasing their expertise and allowing others to replicate their successful trades. Now, let's explore the benefits of copy trading. Copy trading offers a way for beginners to mitigate risk by relying on the experience and strategies of seasoned traders. Gain access to tried and tested strategies employed by professional traders, giving you a competitive edge in the market. By mimicking the strategies of successful traders, new traders can observe and learn valuable techniques, accelerating their learning curve. It's an ideal starting point for beginners, providing a smooth entry into the complex world of trading. However, it's essential to be aware of the costs and risks involved. Each trader has a unique psychology. Finding the right approach for you is crucial. Be cautious of excessive trading by the trader you're copying, which could lead to stop-outs. Participating in profit sharing may reduce your overall profit, so it's important to weigh the costs carefully. Copy trading isn't for everyone. It's crucial to evaluate your compatibility. Understand your investment objectives and risk tolerance to align with your trading approach. Decide if a hands-on or passive approach aligns with your preferences and trading style. Stay updated on major fundamental news to make informed trading decisions. These are essential tools for risk management and protecting your investments. The trading world is dynamic, so keep learning and stay updated to adapt to market changes effectively. By understanding the fundamentals of copy trading and implementing effective risk management strategies, you can navigate the Forex market with confidence. Happy trading!